A smiling man dahil nakuha niya yung first round. Etong si Cabrito para sa Manila MSW Mavericks.
Oh, look at this. Okay, speaking of 9-ball, ayan na. Automatic win, golden break. Wow.
Only the second of this season, I think.
It's too early ha. Monday pa lang,
Oo.
meron na tayong golden break.
Another difficult shot.
Oo, na magandang position tong focus na lang
Wow.
siya sa pakulog na lang ng 7.
Oo naman talaga.
Since 9-ball tayo, pwede yan.
Pwede yun.
Malamang napod mo rin yun, di ba?
Oo. And just like that, tabla na tayo mga kaibigan. Di kita ng labanan.
Hindi kita na
Oo,
labanan.
I expected this. Based on what we saw nung first King of the Hill to open our season 2.
Si Ryan Mark ang tinatawag nilang good things happen. Ganun na lang, di ba?
Ganun na lang, simple-simple. But again,
Ooh, that was so close. Mas mabuti pang mag-bounce dun sa may rail. Or hindi, ina-attack na lang for the other side pocket pala itong...
nabati natin ang Tenorio family mula sa Pontevedra, Negros Occidental, watching us live tonight. At si Ray Vallejo, sabi niya, go, go, Negros. Ito na. 3 rail approach for the 9. Good pace, medyo napalakas ang konti. Hidalgo 6 to 9. Lagi mong alam kung anong gagawin. Pero pag ginawa mo, iba.
Pag-application, ibang usapan na.
Iba nangyayari sa tira.
Looks like he's attacking from here. He
Wow,
tried it. Look
what
at
a
this.
shot.
Whoa. Wow.
Plus the clear out for his next shot. Be a preempted win dito kung magkataon.
But of course, they need to get there. Na kanina naging biktima ng golden break at hindi nakasalang sa mesa.
That's right.
Pagkakataon na niyang ngayon, mag-warm up. Grabe yun. Ooh!
Hirap ng tira na yun, ha?
Since this pabor sa may side, he opted to take the corner pocket instead. Pinaikot pabalik. So yun yung siguro yung rason.
Oo.
Bakit
Mga
dito
tipong
lapit?
imposibleng mangyari, pero, di ba? Nahalata tuloy yung edad ko. Napanood ko pa yun.
Ang importante, hindi naman halata, partner.
Ayan. Yun ang buong mga tawagin tito, lalayasan kita.
Malabo yun, malabo. Wow!
Palakpakan para dito sa kapunan ng Pillars. Well, kung kumpiyansa naman siya, nakaya niya nipisan yun, then why not? But that time, it did not work.
Okay, oh, watch out for
Real
that 6.
first.
Happy viewing. Na nasa alanganing lugar, kaya kailangan pa niyang intindihin ito.
Sinilip niya no?
Yeah. Yung iba, bridge. Yung iba, ano ba? Rake.
Naalala ko dati si Ronnie Sullivan.
Ronnie O'Sullivan.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yun ang nangyari. Nabitawan niya.
Sobrang brief lang. Side pocket. Wow, very nice.
Biyahe papunta sa 8.
Or tamaan niya kung
tamaan
sakali.
niya.
May
Oh,
pwede
what a shot.
na-develop pa. With this, he's going for the side. Oh, corner. Okay.
Corner. Napatili ang fans.
Well,
Ayan, ang Pilyada, 6 to 9.
tutok
Our
muna
final
tayo
rack.
dito.
Oo.
Tutok muna. Grabe, no?
Deciding rack. Ooh, beautiful break. May isa pang papasok. Oh,
Unfortunately, the 8 is blocking the 1.
ngayon pa.
Naku, ngayon pa.
Now he will have to go 2 cushion. Ano ba yung gagawin niya?
Probably push out, yeah.
Push out lang. Pinasok
Tinanggal na
niya
yung
ito.
9. Wow!
What a shot. Humahati nga ako ng bala eh.
Yun
Yung
naman.
ganung tira pa, sabi niya.
Okay,
Julio Valiente, Leon Guerrero. Sumakay ka pa, sabi niya.
Pinaka-importanting tira siguro ni Doc Loy sa buong araw na to.
Oh, he got contact.
Oo, Kane.
Ang nipis nga nito. This is a dangerous shot, ha? Good shot.
Kailangan bumalik. Hatak ng konti, side 7. Or stun.
Para dito kay Lito Lapid. Stop ball. No, he will go follow through and digging deep para sa Pillars. Okay, Kamomot for the win.
Kapal-kapal pa yun, partner.
Kumapal pa yung tira,
Oh
but
my.
that is enough.
Maabot ng pinakadulo na talaga itong dalawa. So let's see if that's going to be the case here sa ating doubles matchup. And the break is successful kaagad para dito sa Negros.
The breaks has been really friendly. Nakita nga yung mga numero kanina, ang taas.
And of course, yung nag-break doon, itong si Drasir Mauricio.
Si Tisoy.
Si Tisoy. If he has an axe to grind, kasi nga nalipat nga siya rito sa kupunan ng Negros Occidental Pillars na tinatawag natin dito. Pagdating sa 7, pabagsak na lang yan. Tama sinabi ni Jay kanina, salitan ang kanilang tira.
Hindi nakapunta ng mesa si Jonas Magpantay. Ito, Aspuria Mauricio, tapos kabila, Magpantay Leyva.
Kailangan lang kunin itong pagkakataon na ito. Again, the issue is the 5 and the 7.
Not a problem on that blue too. 50 on that orange 5.
Akala ko bankable yung una, pero
pwedeng
looking at the top
karambola.
shot, hindi. Talagang, karambola nga.
Kinarambola nga. Ball control, papunta doon sa green 6 towards the corner pocket would not be an issue. Just enough strength. A breakthrough, Noel.
Well, it all came from yung unang mintis na ginawa doon kanina ni Tisoy Mauricio nung naging naharang naman yung 8. I'm not sure if you can call that an unforced error. First rack 1 para dito sa Mavericks.
Kapitan Balbon Jonald Galve will get his... Oh! Yang nipis, sir! Ang option dito ni Silent Killer.
Bank
shot on the other side.
Medyo wild yun.
Namasyal ang 9. That same story.
I-cross bank mo ito, which should be the easier bank shot. Cross bank nga
Cross
ginamit.
bank. Same result.
Yan talaga, patong na naman. But this should be makeable already, itong angulo na to. It is.
Got it! John Albert Refulle. Siya ang nagwagi. The shot is actually open. Make no mistake about it. But again, where will you put that cue ball?
Hindi na niya ni-rail first. Talagang nirekta lang niya. And now they're playing the 2-9 combination. No choice sila.
Mukhang kailangan ata ng ruler ni Jonas magpantay dito.
I wouldn't blame him if he used an extension. He's not using an extension. So, rekta. Kaya.
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 Kaya gapang abbreviated rack. And the roll of the Manila MSW Mavericks continue. The
Konting kita
comeback.
dito, pero this is a safety.
And of all the people na bibigyan mo ng pagkakataon na tumira, si Joel Aspuria tsaka si Drasir Mauricio
Grabe
pa.
naman yung speed na ginamit doon ni Refulle.
Gutom ka na talaga nun.
2 rails.
Yup, it's 2 rails. The question is, where
Wala
will those
bebenta.
balls end up?
Bebenta.
Bumenta. Yung sa mga ganong pagkakataon, dun mo, you could consider that is where...
Remember, these two made it all the way to the finals, nung finals last December. So they know what pressure is about.
The 7-0 lead of the Pillars.
And I think that was influenced, Jay, kasi gumamit siya ng tiririt, kaya nagbago tuloy yung dynamics
angulo.
ng tirang
Oo.
yun. Oo. Now the 4-9 combination is on.
Hahabol ng kombinasyon. And of all people, na ibibigay mo pa
Si
yung
world
possible
champion.
combination na yun, yung world champion pa.
Oo. The reigning world 10-ball champion, the Silent Killer. He has choices here. He can go for a direct combination 4-9 or i-billiard niya from this angle. The billiard sounds more logical. Yung pamato yung papatay sa 9.
Pamato
Just
papatay sa
like
9. True enough, Jonas Pagpantay and company
Lamang
are
na.
now in the lead. Problema lang, pag bumalik yan, huwag mo nang tatamaan doon kahit anong bola dyan na nakaharap.
Tama.
1-2.
1-2.
Just gonna be 2 rin.
And...
Pasyal!
Kita ba? Kita ba?
I think he's seeing something. Dinaan sa lakas, but it went out. So expect a series of long shots. And a
yung
good
parang yung
placement. Umangat ng konti. Combination. So huwag mo na patawarin doon sa side pocket.
Ayun.
That's the placement.
Barring any catastrophe.
The long rail needs to cooperate. It did cooperate. And Jolo Aspuria will claim victory number 2 for the Negros Occidental Pillars.
He will now opt to do a push out. Where does he go with this push out?
Ilalayo niya lang pero kailangan ng password para makalagpas dito sa gitna.
Yung nga gagawin. Uy.
Umuntik pa.
Kung naipasok niya pa sana yun, ano, Dadaan doon sa pagitan ng 2 at 7. 2 rails ang ginamit. Counter safety it is.
Charlie Santos and Angelito Mas.
1, 2. Tama ulit.
At parang 4 to. Parang padagdag na ng padagdag.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Tatlo lang. 7 seconds to shoot. Wala na pong warning yan. Dati meron pang ano yan. May natamaan yung 8. Umupensa na nga siya.
Umupensa na.
At kung kayo'y napapadpad dito po sa area ng Morato, Quezon City, punta lang po kayo dito.
Ayan yun!
Exactly. Not mistaken, that's just the 3rd golden break
For this season.
for this season.
Yes.
At yung 9, walang kaduda-duda. Si Maki Leyva na nakaupo pa rin sa kanyang bench. Ito si Jude Del Rosario rooting for the Mavericks.
Moneyman, Manuel Ang, my dad, watching as well tonight. Good evening sa inyo ni Mami. I love you
Oo,
3
yun.
times a day. Pero pagdating dito kayo makikamumot, parang kamay niya pa rin yung ginagamit niya. Look at that.
4 ball na kayo ng kailangan niya isipin kung paano. Konting batak lang ito. No? He's actually gonna use the rail.
Yeah. Yan,
Oo, di ba?
Pag dumapang ganyan, malaki yung
Oo.
Guerrero talaga.
Gusto niyang talagang panindigan yung pagiging Lito Lapid niya. Parang ganda na sana ng simula nila, no? 2-0, but
Yes.
then kamomot happened.
Ginaganon-ganon lang ni Raymart.
This will be our first break and run out if he can make this 9 ball into the side pocket. He had a run out, a golden break, and now a break and run out. Might opt to go safe with this one, which he does. Tatago yung pamato sa likod ng 2.
Dikit na dikit. 1-9
Oo,
combination.
baka mamaya pamato pa yung papuntahin din sa 9.
Mhm.
But he's just gonna go for a simple connection.
Imamasi dito ni Leyva.
Konting patama. Can he hide it behind the 9? Yes, he can. Konting kita daw.
Yun na. Gumamit ng pamase na
Ito, this is coming off 2 rails. Good contact.
tinamaan.
Konting patama rin to sa 9. 9 na yan, palapit na ng palapit sa butas.
Good contact on the 1.
Took it on, pero may backup.
Napakapal.
Si Jonas Magpantay, Doc Loy Refulie also there. Of course, yung kanilang head coach, si Dennis Po. That's the easiest one.
Yes. Pero mukhang sa
Quatro.
4 ang ginamit niya dun. Another kick.
Sumubok.
At itatago sa 2.
Teka, may pasok yata ito. Oh, yun na,
Pumasok.
Tago. Alamang 2 rails pa ito. Tignan natin
Ayun,
where he's gonna
exactly.
go. 2 rails. Good contact.
Good contact. At may itatago pa. May konting pasapatos lang sa prepare niya. Good contact.
Double contact.
Naritro ko doon. Pero mukhang tatago pa
Grabe
rin.
naman yun.
Ang dami mong kakampi at may head coach ka pa na pwedeng pagtanungan. Iyon na nga ang ginawa niya doon.
Is it going to be on the hill for the Pillars? Pumasok ang 8 sa break.
Raymart Kamomot has a unique stroke technique not commonly used by most other players. Very short yung kanyang practice stroke,
Tutirang pasingkit ito sa side.
pero na-solve naman
Oo.
for Raymart Kamomot.
Missed an 8 ball earlier.
The Kingpin also part of
Oo.
our crowd tonight. Mangyari na naman yung bromance kagabi.
Oo.
Part of the Mavericks as well.
Naka-sweep ang kalaban. And ironically, Quezon City did not win a single match. But they're now up 5-0. And now to the hill.
Ano naman,
Shoutout
gising
na
pa
rin. Shoutout na rin kay Daryl Long, of course.
Yes.
Oy! 2 pumasok sa Sargo.
Very
Kailangan
low.
na ng Alka-Seltzer.
Ito.
And everything is ligpitable. Teka. Yan. Isipin mo, natabla na yan, 7-all.
Yes, ni Mark Jerry kanina. Na nanlamig ang tira dito ni Raymart Kamomot.
Of Negros Occidental, tanda natin, nung Lunes. And this will be a 6-rack win if the last remaining balls cooperate for Mr. Lito Lapid.
Mukha naman.
Finishing the night with 6 straight wins, the Negros Occidental Pillars victorious for the 3rd straight game.
Raymart once again for the break.
Remember,
made a
he
couple
had,
of balls.
he had 2 golden breaks kagabi, AJ.
Ito.
Bigyan mo na kagad. 1 ball pa lang, bigyan mo na.
But it's safe to say.
Ano sinabi na naman niya kasama mo? 2 golden breaks last night.
Aba.
Kasama doon sa kanyang 6 consecutive wins. Nakadalawa. Dalawang
2 straight
sunod,
lang.
oo. Ito, si Kamomot at saka dumaplis pa sa 9.
Diba? Talagang saya ni
Pati si Randy
DMC
MC. Donald Galve puts that one away.
Eto na.
Ito nga si Arpilleda at saka si Cabrito ay babalik. The 6 is still being blocked by the 7.
Yeah, combination na lang siya later. Tsaka paiba-iba talaga ang ugali ng mesa. Depende na lang talaga sa
para
of course, sagrado ang ating TV table. Corner pocket yung
pwede rin.
green 6. So ganyan na lang. Gusto nilang yung complicated shots.
Breaks ngayon
Diba? Ito, kailangan talaga nila itong potential na unang panalo nila dito. Ang konti. Yan, perfect.
On the board. When the 9 ball goes down, the Mavericks finally securing their first win. The Mavericks strike back, and this time, let's see if Kenneth Arpilleda can keep the ball on the table this time. Sa kanyang power break. Tumalo na naman yung bola.
Maganda yung sargo niya ngayon, controlled. Wow! Maganda talaga ang sargo. Wow.
Di man lang nakapunta sa mesa si Mauricio at si Aspuria. And a golden break on the side of the Mavericks for the first time.
Hang on.
Teka, mukhang
Going
safety.
safe, yeah. Short rail, hoping to make this 3.
Ingat sa scratch ulit. Ayun. 3, tinamaan. Might he be going defensive on this?
Yes, so yan na nga. Imbes na nilaban, baka kasi nga iniisip niya yung control.
So this is... hindi pala kitang-kita yon. So another
Buti may 7.
safety shot. They are taking the 2-rail approach.
Not bad. Thinning this 3 ball. Nakakonsentrate siya sa pato kung saan pupunta. Tumama nga lang sa 8
May
talaga.
halong kabog na rin, syempre.
Wow.
Madayan nga hindi raw.
Or papatong nila from 2 rails lang. Pwede. Ayan.
Ayan. Rinse and repeat, ika nga.
Yes.
Ayan. But again, how do you land on this from the short rail?
Yun na naman gusto nila
Panayan pa
mangyari.
rin. Daplisan lang itong tres, just like that.
Kahit kita, okay lang. Na si Kyle Sasa Pogi-Pogi. Yan. Let's see.
Hindi, malipis eh. May kita pala, may kita.
3 ball yung kailangan niyang ilagay doon.
Yeah, ito, between the 3
Pato,
and the 6.
pato sa 5. Yan.
Ayan.
2 rails to hit that red. Oh, yay. Uh-oh,
Stretch
ito
pa.
na.
Looking to get their first win in this series. Already won by the Pillars, pero syempre gusto mo pa rin makakuha ng first win.
Oh! A much-needed golden break para sa MSW Mavericks.
Jonas
Real
magpantay, yeah. They will use their extension.
Ibang bangayan talaga sa labas.
Oo.
Sa kabila ba?
Kabila!
Sa kabila.
Yes!
Sa kabila din. Pinagbigyan. I love. May kumakanta pa ng I love. Oh, teka lang. May storya pa. Si Hidalgo.
Oo. Kick shot. Saan? Bumenta pa.
Nako, eto na. Muntikan pa na mawala sa MSW pero ito nakabalik muli.
Ay, may
Baka
storya
mabitin pa to. Mabibitin
May
pa.
storya pa.
Is he gonna go for the thin cut like what he did earlier? Went for the cut and he puts it away. Nicely done. The recovery king. Etong si Ives Cabrito. Pwede na rin. Pwede na din.
The Mavericks do it.
Alright. Finally.
The Manila MSW Mavericks will not be swept. Ngayon, na si Anton Raga baka mamaya dumating.
Trivia lang guys, si Run DMC, wala pa siyang pangalan na Run DMC.
Shot on the 1 ball and medyo ligpitable ang layout natin dito, Mr. Ong. Hindi ka conscious dyan. Okay, kay Direk, meron na siyang utang, Direk.
Oh.
Fully, ang dami nilang break and run out na nagawa during their doubles matchup.
Kaya na to, 2 rails. Ayan, so same pocket. Ito,
Isa pa lang na ipapanalo ng Manila, but that was yesterday sa ating doubles matchup. Yung kabila, napasok na nga si Ran DMC pero might not have to at the rate Jonas Magpantay is going. Break and run out ang sumalubong sa atin sa araw ng Biyernes, AJ. Let's see if he takes this on.
cue ball behind the 5 as well. Pwede, the 4 rather.
Ayan,
pero yun.
sinubukan niya, double purpose shot.
Yeah, using the
Sipat
5 and
agad.
8. Very nice. Look at that speed control.
Tinatawag natin
Wow.
AJ Hidden Mickey.
Medyo hit and hope na lang siya talaga dito from this. Ooh, he
Nope.
went two-railer. Para kung tumama sana, may separation din. Preparing for the side pocket. Etong tres,
Again, yung tama dun sa missed.
pwedeng hatakin and went for the angle there.
Little bit of inside to get position on the 7 ball. Member of the Manila MSW Mavericks. Kasama nila Jonas Magpantay. Now finding a new home with the Pillars and tying the score up. Break shot.
8. Nako. Inunahan pa ng Pato yung 8. The white ball or the mother ball behind the 6 or the 5. Ayan.
Massey
Jacking
is
up,
allowed, yes.
yeah. Gagawin dito ni
No,
Tisoy.
but this is an emergency shot.
Very
Good
nice.
shot.
Very nice.
Dito
Napansin niya
nanonood.
kasi yung post ko kanina.
Ayan.
Noel.
So-
Clean straight draw. Yan, pwede na kahit may konting angle. Is he taking this into the side, your corner just to draw?
Hook it
Kaya.
on, yep.
Kaso nga lang, yung speed, gamitin mamaya yung ito
Like
pala,
this.
ito. Yes, he went 2 rails.
Kayumanggi.
Kayumanging 7.
Akala ko dati tawag dyan Chico eh.
Anyway.
Uh,
Pabor sa kanila yung singles rather than doubles.
That- Yan.
Alright, sumabit pero tinanggap ng bulsa.
And Sabrina Gardner has also joined the chat sa ating TikTok. 9, lumiko. Lahat lumiko.
Nako, 9 para sa kabilang team. Wala nang iba kundi atake sa 9. Nicely done.
First
Grabe.
abbreviated rack of the night going to the Manila MSW Mavericks.
Happy viewing kay
Oo.
Baby Arlan.
Ito na yung key shot going to the 3 ball.
To the 3, matatakpan
Oo.
itong red 3. Pero
Tanda
got
natin.
it perfectly.
Tanda natin.
Uh-oh.
Ito si...
Okay. Okay.
Sadya yun.
Hindi, baka hindi nga intentional yun. I might
Ayan,
have to
tama.
ask him later on.
Well, si Dean Mark Castronuevo, of course, is seeing his first action of the season.
Si great things happen.
Oo.
Okay. Si Dean Mark.
Mhm.
Alihin ko lang, tatanong ko sa kanya kung anong tournament yon.
Well, he has no problems clearing out. Dami naman pangharang dyan, pero you don't want to dislodge any of the blocking balls.
Aha. Yeah, he's hitting the right side of the 1. Siyempre, lulusot dito sa may 3 and 5 window. Yung malaking window na yan. Kailangan tumigil na ang Pato.
Layo naman ito.
Nakatingin ako dito. Nagkamali ako. Nakatingin ako sa ibang angle. Anyway. Okay,
Good
good hit.
contact.
Ayun ang maganda.
Iniwan
Napanatili
yung
niya yung
pamado
Pato
talaga.
doon. Yes, exactly. Pero meron dito pala sa may window ng 9 and rail. Ayan. Ang ganda nun.
Wow, what a
Ang ganda nun.
response.
Wow. Kick and stick.
Yan ang kick and stick.
Yes. Use the short rail. Loads of right-hand spin. Yun, no. Kaso nga lang kinulang at tumama dun sa 4 ball.
Now, attackable siya. You're on the hill. Meron kang konting padding dito. 3 pa kailangan habulin ng kalaban. If you're Galve, you should go for this.
Yeah, tsaka hindi masyado mabigat sa damdamin, di ba? Yung pressure. Galve puts it away. Okay, he just needs to bounce and of course secure that pot. Bouncing from the side rail. Pabalik sa 9. Nicely done. Kasi
This is it.
walang... Teka lang, wala pang timing. Ito, walang himala! Ayun.
That's it.